What other poets raise a fracas bout vines and wines and drunken Bacchus, and crabbit names and stories raucous and greater lug? I sing the juice Scotch beer can mak us in glass or jug. O thou, my muse, good old Scotch drink, whether thro' wimpling worms thou jink, or richly brown remoor the brink in glorious fame, inspire me till I lisp and wink to sing thy name. Let husky wheat the halls adorn, and eats set up the rory horn, and peas and beans at e'en or morn perfume the plain. Lease me on thee, John Barleycorn, thou king of grain. On the aft Scotland chews are good, in supple scones, the whale of food, or tumbling in the boiling flood, wi' kale and beef, or when thou pours thy strong heart's blood, there thou shines chief. But fills the wame and keeps us living, though life's a gift no worth receiving, when heavy dragged wi' pine and grieving, but oiled by thee, the wheels of life gae down hell screeving, wi' rattling glee. Thou clears the head o' doited leer, thou cheers the heart o' drooping care, thou strings the nerves o' labour sair its weary toil, thou even brightens dark despair wi' gloomy smile. Aft clad in massy siller weed, wi' gentles thou erects thy heed, yet humbly kind in time of need, the poor man's wine. His weep drap parritch, or his breed, thou kitchen's fine. Thou art the life of public haunts, but thee, what were our fears and draunts? Even godly meetings o' the saunts, by thee inspired, when gaping they besiege the taunts, are doubly fired. That merry night we get the cornin, oh, sweetly then thou reams the hornin, or reeking on a New Year morning, in cogger bicker, and just a wee drap spiritual burning, and gusty sucker. When Vulcan gies his bellows breath, and ploughmen gather wi' their breath, oh rare to see thee fizz and froth at the lugged cup. Then Barnwyn comes on like death at every chop. Nae mercy then for air nor steel, the brawny bainy ploughman chiel brings hard o'er ship wi' sturdy wheel the strong forehammer, the block and study, ring and reel, wi' dinsome clamour. When skirling weans see the light, thou maks the gossips clatter bright. How fumbling coofs, their dearies slight, wi' worth a name. Nae howdy gets a social night, or black frae them. When neighbours anger at a plea, and just as wood can be, how easy can the barley bree to mend the quarrel? It's aye the cheapest lawyer's fee to toss the barrel. Alake, there my muse has reason to whiter country men wi' treason, but money dearly with their wheezin' wi' liquor's nice, and hardly in a winter season her spear her price. Wi' worth that brandy, burning trash, they'll source of money of pain and brash. Twins money a poor doit drunken hash o' half his days, and sends beside old Scotland's cash to her worst phase. Ye Scots, I wish old Scotland well. Ye chief to you, my tale I tell. Poor blacklist devils like mysel', it sets ye ill. We bitter, dreadful wines to mell, or foreign gill. Me gravels, round his blather wrench, and gouts torment him inch by inch. What twists his gruntle wi' a glench, a sour disdain, out o'er a glass o' whiskey pinch, wi' honest men. Oh, whiskey, full of plays and pranks, except the bard is great for thanks. When wanting thee, what chinless cranks are my poor verses? How comes they rattle in their ranks at others' erses? Thee, Farintosh, oh sadly lost, Scotland laments frae coast to coast. Now call it grips and bark and host, they kill us a', for loyal Forbes' chartered boast is done awa'. They cursed horse leeches o' the excise, but mak the whiskey stills their prize. Hold up thy hand, deal. Once, twice, thrice. There, seize the blinkers and bake them up in bernstein pies. The poor damn drinkers. Fortune, if thou but gie me still, bill breeks, a scone, and whiskey gill, and drouth the rhyme, brave it will, like a' the rest, dealt about as thy blind skill directs thee best.